my name's Mariko. Today I'm going to show you how to use a milk frother. Milk frothers are essential if you're trying to make the perfect cappuccino or latte drink. There's a few different types out there right now, but they all achieve the same results. You can buy these little handheld milk frothers at many different kitchen stores. They're really great, they're battery operated, and all you do is you get your cup of hot milk, put the frother in it, turn it on, and after a few minutes you have frothy milk to perfection. The most traditional way to froth milk is using the frother on an espresso machine. I've got a cup of extra strong espresso made, and now I'm going to froth my milk. One of the keys to making perfectly frothed milk, and this goes to regardless if you're using cow milk, soy milk, almond milk, it applies for all the different milks out there, is you want to make sure it's cold. I like using a little aluminum or metal container because then I could put it in the refrigerator for a few minutes to make sure that it is extra cold. Now I'm going to steam my milk with my frother. You want to place it directly underneath the frother. With the frother touching the edge of the milk, then you can turn it on. The key is just to have the frother in there just enough, touching the surface so you can get a nice frothy top. If you put the frother too deep into the milk, you're going to heat up the milk, start heating it up really fast so that it almost boils, but you won't get any of the frothing action. If you want an extra froth, you can start moving the cup just a little bit up and down. The movement is barely there at all. You're only talking about a half an inch or so. When you start to see a nice foam at the top, you know your steamed milk is frothed to perfection. Now I'm just going to add my frothed milk to my espresso. The key is to use a spoon to get the milk in first. We want to separate the froth. Then I'm going to use the spoon to just scoop out the froth and put it on top. And now it looks picture perfect. This is Mariko showing you how to use a milk frother. Enjoy.